Would you like to accurately predict how your production system will perform in changing conditions? Maybe you'd like to test the design for a new factory layout, or validate a reconfiguration plan, or figure out the exact cause of that bottleneck on the assembly line. Spreadsheets can give some insights, but they often can't account for the complexity and dynamic nature of modern production systems. How can you get accurate analysis about future performance? FlexSim is easy-to-use 3D discrete event simulation software with high-end capability, allowing you to model any production process. It offers a data-driven, evidence-based method to predict how changes will impact factories, warehouses, and supply chains. A FlexSim simulation model allows you to validate and test what-if scenarios in a virtual environment without the risk of disrupting real-world operations. Your simulation model can provide a complete picture of the production environment. It combines detailed process steps, current production data, and realistic 3D visuals to tell a compelling factory story. Start meaningful new conversations and fully engage with stakeholders throughout your organization. FlexSim provides the capabilities you need to increase efficiency, reduce risk, and make better decisions as you make and move the products your customers are waiting for.